Hey folks, Paul here with iCrack.com, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the differences between the 4S and the iPhone 4, just looking at the back of them and also showing you how to perform a quick battery replacement. To do a battery replacement, which we do sell a kit for, you will get obviously a new battery depending on which model. A pentalobe screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, a cleaning cloth, a SIM card tray opening tool, as well as some adhesive. Just a few tools that we always use in our repairs as well that are extras. A small 2-inch thin blade. We actually sell this Gerber knife on our website, as well as some tweezers. And then if you don't want to use the blade, you're always more than welcome to purchase an Icesimo pry tool from our website as well. They serve the exact same function. But let's go ahead and take a look at our 3 iPhones right here. We've got all 3 lined up. We've got your iPhone 4S right here, your iPhone 4 AT&T GSM right here, and your iPhone 4 Verizon CDMA right here. Since the release of the 4S, people have been able to use the iPhone 4 on Sprint. If you are using the iPhone 4 on Sprint, it is the CDMA iPhone 4. On the 4S, all 3 service carriers have the same phone and technology running through the 4S. The screen, battery, and everything like that is the same between all 3, AT&T, Verizon, and Sprint. Okay, so say you have a battery that's not holding a charge. Say there was water damage and something shorted, or maybe your battery's just acting up and it's hotter than usual, or anything like that. You're going to want to perform a battery replacement. Now, it's actually a very simple procedure. All you're going to need to do is remove the back of the iPhone. We already have them removed. You simply just use your pentalobe screwdriver to remove the 2 pentalobe screws and slide the back off, as you can see in the majority of our other videos. For those of you who have older versions of the iPhone 4, you will possibly have Phillips head screws in the bottom of your phone rather than pentalobe screws. Obviously, you would simply just use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove those screws. Now right here, we've got 2 batteries. We've got the 4S battery and the 4 battery. Now the 4 battery is the same across all across both the CDMA and GSM models. It only has 1 screw attachment right here, while the 4S actually has 2 right here and right here. So the battery for the 4S is different from the battery for the 4, but the battery for the 4 is the same in both the AT&T and Verizon model. Now, these replacements are actually very, very easy. Let's go ahead and do the 4S real quick. As you can see, we have 2 screws right here and right here, and we've got our grounding clip right here that is actually being held on by this screw. So when we remove this screw, this grounding clip's also going to loosen up. So we'll just go ahead and remove this screw right here. You would then take your spudger and gently pry up the clip, just like that. And as you can see, the little clip came right off. There it is right there. And to remove your battery, you're just going to take your spudger, and this is the same across all models, and wedge it in between the mid frame and the battery and pry up. There is adhesive on the bottom, as you can hear, and that adhesive is just loosening up. Okay? And so you would just take your battery, take your new battery, and just put it right in. Just like that. And we're going to put our ground clip right back over the antenna, and then we're going to pop the battery right in place. And we'll go ahead and screw our screws back in. And there you have it. That's battery replacement for the 4S. Now we'll go ahead and do it for the AT&T 4. right here. As you can see, it has your one screw at the bottom, as well as the antenna clip right here that's sitting over the antenna right here and is held in right here. So we'll just go ahead and remove this screw. Set it to the side. We use our nylon spudger to just pry up just like that. Grab your clip, set it aside, and just like you would do when you're needing to replace the screen to remove the battery, we'll go ahead and pry just like that. Take it out, and we'll just take our new battery, put it right in, simply lay the clip back down over the antenna where it's supposed to go. Pop the battery right in place. And drop your screw back in. Like so, and there you have it. Now for the Verizon, it's the exact same battery as the Sprint, but the clip is actually held on by its own individual screw right here. So we're not going to have to deal with that when we replace the battery. So we'll go ahead and take out one screw, just like we did in the other phones. We'll pop the clip off, just like that. Pry the battery, take it out, put the new battery right back in, same exact way, clip it back down. And screw in your screw. And there you have it. Battery replacement for the iPhone 4S and both models of the iPhone 4. It's a very simple process and one that we offer through both kits as well as separate tools and batteries on our website for you to perform. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.